Hi everybody, this is Josh Norman from your friendly Indian Head Chrysler Service Department. One question that we get asked all the time is, why do I need to rotate my tires? Well, the fact is that with any vehicle, tires are a wearable component. So what happens is that if you have a front wheel drive vehicle, for instance, your front wheel or your front tires are going to wear more than your rear because it's constantly giving power to those tires. Vice versa for a rear wheel drive vehicle. Now, another question that we get asked a lot about this is like, well, Josh, I have an all-wheel drive vehicle. Why do I need to rotate my tires? Well, the fact is that even if you have an all-wheel drive vehicle, it doesn't mean that power is going to all wheels all the time. So you can still get some premature wear. Now, if all your tires are wearing evenly and all that stuff because power is going through all the time, there's still little variations in your suspension that's going to cause some issues with tires, such as cupping, such as premature inside or outside wear, all those things as well. So on top of rotating your tires, we also recommend that you do a wheel alignment check at least once a year. With that check, we're going to be able to take a look, see what's going on with your tread wear, see what's going on with your suspension, and make sure that you get as much life out of those tires as possible. So if you have any questions about tires, you give us a call at 306-695-2254, and one of our experts in service or parts will be able to help you. And please do not forget, we have a price match guarantee on tires. You can buy your tires today, and then within 30 days, you find a better price, we'll cut you a check back for the difference. Thanks again, everybody. Have a great day.